sana mutegeri wa Meru TV antu bambere no thro iberegeri kumba kwithira bakiringa akura chione nyuma ya bora kwithirete kwina siasa achia guchwanu kayukia giti kia mbere no nyuma ayora wari MP kumba kwithira kinenkirwa kanya kirithirikari nene siasa achia mbere no chithirite achikioneka kuwata monki kaita kwa kaita kuma campaign achi kumba kwithira chikiambire kana campaign chombere kwithira chikinya mwicho ntuku ya mande kuma unende atwetere kumba kwithira tukiringa kura antuku ya ruyo rutaro Mount Kenya akwithirite gwitwika ni kinde ke versus Gachagua antara mnyagito mpethirite bakiu no tukinyo gya kwailia kirithrono binini bya mbere no thibithirite bikiambukira attention kana kinya national attention ukuluka abira bingi kinya nterechi ya Malaba akwina Mangarini na kuntu kura kungi kyonthe akwithirigiri kumba kwithira guki bwithika aithurano binini ntukweru jonkiuma raingo kwirite angachokera na muthuji wa siasa tukiaririe mno mantu yegie siasa chia mbere no tugwitwika kinyane ndi kuringana na bura siasa chikethira chigite na kuringana bura kuri chikomba kwithira chikiringwa no kwithira kidogo gukindita maine atakura cha 2027 achikomba kwithira chikari unde mwandiki ondato na kama kawaida andi na mudhuyo siasa mutambone airikene ya Lawrence Kanyindegwa na atwina nweke na tumba kutha tukiariria siasa chia mbere no chithurano binini bya mbere no karibu sana Lawrence kede mutegeri wa Meru TV kenda tumba kutha tukiaranira ndi tukimenyana.
Asante sana Muthoni Bakiremana.
Yes.
Mugeni ategeri wa Meru TV.
Karibu sana tukiariria moja kwa moja gwitakiri ithurano binini bya mbere kuringana na wende tumi mbere north by election achithirite chiki attract attention akinya kirina kuma kiri national akinya athirikari na mbere no tukia kwa ile kwina kuntu kwingi akwithirite kwina by election lakini siasa ta kukongithirite kimuri kwa mno chia ntere chia mbere north ni
siasa cia mbere north kintu gitumite chithira china chi very high voltage kintu kembere kabisa chumanite na kuma impeachment ya Rigathi Gachagua so Rigathi Gachagua aithirite no kuma Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Mbere north is in Mount Kenya na former deputy president netherie as in nendete na kwenda we style ya kingpin wa Mount Kenya region alafu Rigathi ai kuma aikurutwetene kutuka Professor Kithure Kindiki from Mount Kenya region a very close neighbor actually wa Mbere aka appointwa a deputy president so siasa hii chithirite china component ya national politics sana nonto ni kwenda nyumwe na Rigathi baguthimana inya na Kithure Kindiki. That is how it has been styled jamba in the media na nyanto banyibo bakwa ile and that is how I think Gachagua would want it to look like kenda yumba kutuke alafu kuna the other component. There is also the component also okay like at the national level between UDA the ruling party na united opposition kutukenyano bando euni arena yo ya kuthimana nguvu so UDA led by President William Ruto na united opposition so bathimane alafu there is local component also which now kutueka contestant ura minete na kiama kia UDA.
Yes.
Uraweto wa Muthende by na narrative yone and development you know continuity and development na kurutangui na thirikari kenda development ira in terms of roads in terms of water na support ya agriculture muguka yure maano na manto yariko. So wena manto ya thatu ya national yo ya kwara kaya ku eclipse the local issues nonto wa that now contest nonto kuyete kutueka Gachagua I mean Karish is now the opposition candidate. Ake koye tekeu. Yethre imbustiene na muno kigashagwa. Akiara kiena ujaziri muno. Akiona na kianue yani nwe na say Mount Kenya. Na akona niende akaombe kiochinda president na Professor Kindiki. Kisiasa local. Ila local kwa tukendi nwe Kingpin wa Mount Kenya. Alafu candidate wa UDA wa Muthende akayoshinda niyo ethire mbustiene ne muno ya kuonania Professor Kindiki has taken the mantle na now antu iba recognize yawe champion ya Mount Kenya na President Ruto agenda yawe ni kuresonate na antu ba in the ground. So it will be a very huge blow to Gachagua. Now it will look like now he is fading into oblivion.
And now kwena bura yumbet kwithire igia kwa rangi ati ini kindano ya katikati ka Gachagua ura wari munini wa rais na bari na Kindiki ura ne munini wa rais da ito kwari no kemenya kinya mbere inarura muchie kwa Kindiki ne ite kwa tamdas nkindano ya baraba guchwa itemenya of course kwena ba Muthende kwena bakarish na bangi na baraba kuromba gitiki kya mbere no niki no ntwe kuringwa mbicha akanai ka pintenda ati ninkindano ya katikati Gachagua na Kindiki.
Kuma Gachagua ekwa impeached na ringite siasa mno na ringite siasa cha kiukabila kia kuona ni anwe gatekeeper wa community na kuona niende kwa tuikendi anjiria ira itawa grievance politics chia kulalamika chia kuona ni antu iba tengi pa Mount Kenya mantu ya kariuma kwa tuikendi niyo thirikari on the other side ni kuona ni uni president ya kuona ni uni ndari wondere antu pa Mount Kenya no ba itike deputy president kukia kuendekia Mount Kenya. Number 2 itike kururwa MPO the former MP Ruku president ya moyere muruta itine ke MP amu elevate to a cabinet minister. So kwa tuika inyawende aichethera at the national level there kwa tuikendi president ya Karainya kaenda kuthima Mount Kenya support yewe Mount Kenya ne tikiambere kutu niwe tumika kuta MPO so that he can occasion by election there at testy waters in Mount Kenya onene atambi ne ata support yeweri kuwende manto ya tumita kwa tuikendi tiki kironania ya kiuchethra at the national level kwa tuikendi mantu yo ya kwa ilu muno contestira ya national level kwa tuikaikara yonka by election nyingi chi across the country Magarini Kasipul wherever malava kwa tuikayite kuoneka no twende au ni ground ya the sitting deputy president and the impeached the former deputy president. So this arena babu baili so ibo bakweria wasat authority yo baitu mairete kiriko baitu mairete kira negona na president ni ataka respond because okay kwa ilia Gachagua has been trying to lure president into the contest kwa tuka atukurukerie tora president inyawe ngwa ikara ya president ya kuronwe ikara ya baba ile by the ballot lakini ni president ya aigino manto yariko aigino manto lakini ndio kwa ile nya media houses nya ke social media everyone else arona ni eteke ni antu abo by you know kerwani antu the big boys now the big boys ibo ba kerwira so okay awetoka ile nya barua weta saindi barua washaku barua Ruto aende ama asiende onto you know ya Ruto weta kiwawa kino ugonendi kidure nuepo professor nuepo chokaniria nao na na the former deputy president aimwira we ukeocetha ngakwaithisha rekano ndumari torakwa you know amwira when I was teaching I've been a university teacher for 14 years. When you are you stealing maize, all those things what we can you know what we can contest yobo baili. So okay, the rhetoric component ya local issues is very little. Rhetoric on the national level. Yeah. But now also inyakithe iba kwa the rhetoric the national level. Okay, kwa opinion polls like Mizani Africa and all that. Uliona the contest is so close. Ukona like Mizani ukona wakiwa Wamuthende 44 point something, the other guy Karish 42 point something, with a margin error, you know, of 3% or something. So it is a very close contest, and kintu kiraki can determine sana the outcome. It turnout. Turnout is very critical there. So we are waiting to see kithira the you know the high voltage rhetoric and all that jiateria to mobilize voter turnout. Kana the allegations, whether those allegations of violence and interference jombo cause apathy what we can turn out jiateria in an yura. So the winner will most likely be decided by the voter turnout. So but also, you know, all that turnout will be, everything is determined by the national rhetoric.
Okay. Nibega sana, enao ono mwaka kwithira kunura chinda na kwithira kunura wachindwa. Ndenda utuchorere mbicha, ebura kumbikio karatiri, eno ntuni rutere rwekani ni thirikari, na thirikari ibobo kindana. Imbicha ku yombike kumira kiri urachindwa na kiri urachinda.
To a candidate wa thirikari akea uchinda thirikari kendelea na confidence yene mno towards 2027 President Ruto akethira aikuonania still aina following Mount Kenya. Yes. You know, it is about creating perception. Politics is about perception. So both sides actually are fighting for perception. Nuria akambikia ku create feeling kirianto that na imnya nonto bura kure kaumera the whole country is watching.
Sure.
So that President Ruto candidate yake hako win, so you face the rest of the country. Na kuona nili that even Mount Kenya to barawa ntena kura dina inyaku ukona so that going forward akethira aina confidence na thirikari wenda bakuende bas twina you know twina broad mandate ukona sana pia kintu kira margin ekethire a very critical also the margin of victory. Because, you know, you can be a winner without mandate, you know, without that proper legitimacy. Yes. The very small margin. So, but that one will be overlooked. That one will obviously be overlooked by the winning side. So, and on the other hand, candidate to opposition yake ya kuwin. Tukona a lot of increasing, you know, now rhetoric, especially Mount Kenya. Onto lainde gashagwa na rego karaka haindo yakakira dainde kakathirunga Mount Kenya muno. Na rera nyantu pambere akaura nya kathaka ua ete akaria bonture nera. Ende tombo kona ke ura muda bueta kuriana. But anyway, opposition bakethe abaina inya muno ende ya kuringa siasa chio. Bakiona na kiendi bakera kena bo create perception ya invisibility ya kuona nya but teaching the kende abetete ku you know ku win 2027 strengthen even their need to unite on 20 but chita united opposition ki candidate wa NDP so bona nilie by na grounding in Mount Kenya inya bakiaria na ara bakauga okay Mount Kenya inya gacha kureira uwa na 7 million akawa ndinacho so regardless of the margin margin bakiaria wetonge but you know margin is science so inya ba create perception then there are a lot of things that might happen in between now and 2027 general elections so okay kwa ilia so kwa tuika nario thirikari ku lose the president will you know the perception created outside there the president the ruling party bakona it will be a projection of weakness somehow of losing ground you know, because last general elections, the former, the immediate former MP, Luku, were UDA. So it will be the government losing, the party losing, the ruling party losing, which will not be a very good picture in terms of perception. So there will be a need for the president to renegotiate, to see how we can re-engage with the people of Mount Kenya and the rest of the country. So the political messaging will be based on now trying to, you know, to repair that image and going forward. And opposition nabaka could lose. Given that the unity they are talking about, it is not producing it, you know. You know, on the ground in Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Na kona niendi Gachagua, manto ya kwaria ya kuwa aina in extent kana say kai king pin wa Mount Kenya, that would just be hot hair. Yeah.
And now, Professor Kithure Kindiki ni Deputy President na ni mtu ni the second in command akirithirikari na kwina mtu akaua a whole Deputy President atibati kuma kuthira gichungumania akiri this is small politics kana elections tireto kinyamba elections kana ithurano abirabi nini ku wakuwa no wa concentrate na mantu mengi ya manene atira siasa hii antu baba na anthi and do you think Professor Kithure Kindiki na mikite a wise idea akiri guchungumania kiri siasa hichi ya by election cha mbere?
According to me, siasa, all politics is local. And ntukume hii siasa ile ya chie uru, saidi ya National Assembly representation. National Assembly is the most important house of representation or house of debate in Kenya. That is where that is the citadel of policy and legislation. Not even the Senate. Yeah. So here, National Assembly is just a very important representative wa National Assembly timuntu kidogo. Imuntura unontonya president yakenda legislation ipas kana policy issues manto ya thirikari ya kuluka ya International Assembly. So kwethira wina representative, especially a capable representative in the National Assembly, ikintu very important. So irati siasa chianthi siasa ingira ayoro pati kwethira akiringa you know, above that tutakinya kiriuna tutakinya ibunge so that it's very important also nyawe ki is national standing no mwanga ke the in grounding ararwami ground yewe so in a way they are interconnected so he's doing the right thing he's a politician and that is his business kwethira akiringa siasa the same way, I mean, siasa whether we in politics by exchange manto yara that is to a politician no mwena ekoyogeru ine so kaba kurutendi ngoyo kabisa ndi thai.
Thank you. If in case kindi kya komba kwithira kyache gitiki kya Mbeere North, mbichewe ikithira ikare atia aki national wise kinya atukithira twene thwanio ni ati Mbeere North imuchiko bakindiki na we all expect omba kwithira ki perform very good utiwa tukwirigira omba kwithira aya ethira kiaria sauti ya wibi kanwa nkuruki kindiki rutererwa Mbeere North akia kulose kigitiki kya Mbeere North bichewe national wise ikithira ikarate.
Definitely. Bishewe ikethira akia kulose yetike bishewe ethira you know like a ninja tiger. Ethira ekwinama in a way. Kwa tuika menya kwina kintu kira dividends kesiasa. Dividends it votes. The number of votes you are supposed to garner. Nyoke the Jesus Christ politician. Ina whether akura kia votes. Not the souls. Nyoke the mwanasiasa Kenya thai.
Yes.
So ina appointment ya Kithure Kindiki. President expect kutuweka kwina reciprocation from this side of Mount Kenya in terms of votes, in terms of mwa support kwa president support na agenda yawe. So kwa tuweka itiki Kindiki atomba kyo can deliver, then there will be a dent in his politics. And economy bandu ataomba kumobilize Mount Kenya. Yes. Bureba tiri. Ko wende ikethira ki reflect not in a very positive way. Kirewe ndi no ngende pora kaomba kubuild demand kuma we, but you see we don't know whether there will be another by election within the locality. Yes. You don't be kumisha all that. So this is a litmus test for so many things, both locally and nationally.
Ado iba siasa bakiare mamwe bakwibikanwa abakiwa kwa karaka kindiki aromba kwithira akiluzi gitiki kya Mbeere North. No withire rais Ruto akuchinchia akinya utongerebwe yene ruterurwa Mount Kenya nontu yaka kuona labda Mount Kenya itinanwe kana itiko support Kithure Kindiki. Gachagua akya guchindwa aina gintu kya kulose kweri no tunende no tukona kindi kya guchindwa twino bwa membi giti kyawe no gite ba CS ruku kinyabo itebya we no bichuno na twanya twinge turatweye ni rutererwa Mount Kenya no twithire tugita ntere ingi ari gathi Gachagua ka lose kwina kyaombi kya kwithira akilose if any chance he loses.
I'm trying to see where Gachagua is so that I can know, or what he has, so that I can know what he is likely to lose. I don't know what is likely to lose. Number one, when you are impeached, you are now outlaw in terms of leadership, in terms of holding any public office in the Republic of Kenya.
Yes.
For as long as that impeachment stands. And it stands right now, and the court are unlikely to annul that impeachment. So Gachagua is on a ego trip, is on a bitterness mission, ya revenge. Otherwise, utike into wengwata personal level, aumbikia kuge nonga kwa tuigende no endi ite na kia makiawe. Kana aka negotiate ra chore bawe ukuma ke thirikari ingi in case informate, but in terms of him to occupy any public office in the Republic of Kenya, that one is not possible. But because according to him, akona exact revenge ke the system that he thinks wrongly impeached him. So again, that pride, that ego, but and he is also win. You still no endi nyati ticheka makewe na mantoma ingi muma na kaomba kuringe chali at the national level na bina. Gina lose manto yawe na yakaitapo dokumenno. So are impeached. Impeachment cannot be cured by the fact that you have been able to influence victory in a by-election. That one is eternal, unless it is unless the courts can nullify those grounds, so which is not likely to happen. So we must let me say this, especially Kiranto Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Politics is about interests. Interests ya politics chamba kwa influenced, chamba kwa mobilized around regions. No know whether we na regional issues which are unique in a way na ibo kwenda chia and rest. No chidre based on even sectarian interest, like even professions. No chidre influenced by historical grievances. Na no chidre mobilized around the religion. Okay, while in places like Nigeria, Nigeria, with like an unwritten pact between the Arab North and the Christian South, such that if the current president is from the North, as of is 2 terms, it automatically South. You know, that mobilization is based on religious beliefs. Here in Kenya, our politics is around tribes or regions. You know, baptized to our regions. No, to nyamanto ya kuandrezi nya development na manto maingi mma. Based on tribal interest or on regional interests.
Yes.
So the rest of the country is watching Mount Kenya. And these people wamepatiwa number 2 position. And they are running away from government. They are running away. They don't, especially the Meru people, I'm asking them, the bigger brothers, the Kikuyus, you know?
Yes.
Okay, but we have been given a seat on the high table in the national politics, in the national scheme of things. But we, the Merus, are saying, we cannot occupy the front seat unless the Kikuyus occupy it. Atutaki kiti, you know, ya juu.
Yes.
Na hiyo kiti haina maana kabisa kama si Mkikuyu amekalia. You see? So, ukauria, what is the problem? What is informing that kind of thing? Because ukakwahilia puratu tsedete siasa jetu kumenya itaramoi ya Kibaki na nyadai, although architecture ya the 2010 constitution manto kuringana nyo manto abati kwethe akibutha kuina another in a different way, but ukakwahilia the president is still playing a very huge role in determining where development goes. So ukauria nete onto anto Meru bati kwenda kuina rwimbo rwa thirikari kutuika rwimbo rwa irukureta maendeleo, irukureta job opportunities, tukuona barabara, job opportunities ke youth, na you know, all those things, regional issues ika addressed kutuika batwi, because we have to work with the government of the day.
Yes.
That is my thinking, yeah. And working with the government of the day, so that you derive you know, benefits from the government of the day, which is the government of the country, which is your government anyway. So the regard kino oya piro kuona reka kuwa etu munti kwenda ni no tu utirikare ngi na let us credit Gachagua menya batu na tutumire ngwe ya muthuro na ubuito muatetie muthuro mno, lakini atatu itite ngwe ne kuirwa rira wiritu rarite atatu ende batu itungenti no to bambi okwithira Gachagua na ngenti na no to kwithira itwa winya etikira kinene rira Gachagua gikaririte itona kene, lakini thai tu kuthanu batu turu aitu tutugenda ende na itu kutheta tukiwa thirikari utibwe utubwithiria, lakini thirikari menya siasa no mwanka bakaruta ngwe nyabo bakiona kwina political dividends ukona So ende antu ba Meru na inya antu ba bangi bonthe babati gukira bakaju onto ti muntu ikite thirikari fringe ni antu amwe gacha guti thirikari ikite antu amwe yakua 2027 now I have unleashed this government to work for Mount Kenya and for the Meru people. There is nothing like that. And there will be no government headed by Jesus Christ. The government of Kenya will be headed by a Kenyan politician. So we have to accept that. When the Rikari, let us always work with the government of the day. We can criticize and we can complain.
Okay.
But we cannot fight the government. Say we are fighting the government and we have nothing to do with it. No, we cannot do that.
And now, kiri siasa, ichamba election chia mbere no, tikwedire tukioneka a lot of resources igitumika mbecha na mantia mengi yedirete kana interview mni birete betumika kiri mba election ichia mbere no, kwina mtu akauria atri why all that money ki idurano binini mbecha ino chia channeled ki maendeleo ki mirandi na ki mantu jange ya maingi rather than akwithira chia channeled kiri mba election na nidro no tu binini ibya tukwimwe na tuthirie.
Yes, nidra no inini lakini rine itaravyo. Ne itaravyo.
Yes.
Na kiridra no kuina ndo it's a it's a political fight but a civilized one. Ranto pakwita kuringa kura nambi. So resources have to be used. Non to manto yo ndo kona tukiwenya ya non to projection nyesi ya up to the national level nambi. So what pakwa ya no either way like you are coming to work in the morning watirimana na ukaringwa kiara no goka ura elastoplast wikire da hiyo nendi ini ka injury nimepata mpaka you know you have to do some first aid nyakida ni elastoplast utomba kwa unike ya tunkaria na kiara kire kariu no no so this is it's part by election is part of democratic process and there has to be costly. There is a lot of money out there to do all those things. And better development in a job, you know, the channel through the systems. Okay. Budgeting, so money is channeled to different things. So, kwe antoka kwenye jeta korea arimu, kwe jeta korea doctors, jeta chibitari.
Yes.
Na kwa kwa ito unikira no inya milioni mwege beja uningete thoka nokona so inyachu ite minyo te dia manto yonde kachi ite wara chieta kia sambagiri economy na njira ingi that is something we cannot avoid. We cannot have a perfect state.
Tutierie ndeka ithano twithira tukirikia lakini mbere turikie kuringana nawe na we muthuyu siasa wile tuna metho yaku iyo je lejara tuwa ya kirundu na ya kimwiri no ai possible aguchinda gitiki kia mbere north ki by election kana kirithurano bibi kiri kumba kwithira akura chikiringwa ruyu rikana orengi tu na rutero rwega na thirikari na twina thirikari nterechia mbere north wailetie na metho yaku ya kirundu na kinya ya kimwiri who is possible kana most likely akumba kwithira gichinda ithurano bi and why
rutere so rutero kirundu na rwakimwiri and well you know you are Kumburia to prophesy. You are telling me to prophesy, or is it to predict? What is the difference? Anyway,
prediction kuringana na kinya buroko na kana bura wonete siasa chikita na mbere.
Tukia kuiwetaniria na mobilization ya resources. Na tukaetaniria na kwa ikategemea inyana bianto pambere bakuthikira pake kwithia bakuthikira the infrastructure message on infrastructure message on farming muguka specifically na mantu ya rui na kwithira bakiri wodi thirikari bakira thirikari tukona ibu tuendete tuete deputy president
Yes.
iburoere mutane turuku bomukumietine menya itibire bietana kia benefits ingi antu bakame, you know, the all associated benefits. Then candidate uthirikari nuka carry the day.
Yes.
Kuke akwithira nario antu baithikira grievance politics. Antu kwatwiga bangenti pura kazagwa ngenti. Kwatwiga endi bagwitigiria buruntu mwe muthuro na arambere. Na kwithira kwina, you know, mantu 2027 kwatwiga, you know, then nya candidate opposition no win. Mena ba watri. Democracy is the worst form of government except all the others. They say that because even partly because even the deciders, the voters themselves, they can be easily misled. Yeah, they can be indoctrinated. So they might even vote against their own interests. And it happens. That is why you see, badu turinga kura, immediately turinga kura, tukanjo complain bara turingira immediately, because turari in a state to take away chelewa, you know, to indoctrinated, to emotional. You see, the way these guys are creating emotionalism. Kwa tuikendi antu bari na another state ndi bukira rukiri after paringa kura ukaijuria au aikugachagua aya ikungaria turona cha thirikari nene chete no kona and antu bati kwetha bakethwana kia after twaringa kura ri ne atatuka ne atatukona kintu kingi twetumaira this by election katue manto ya CDF okay kwa ilia. I don't know whether you no arena ume when parliament yethare ina antu ya James Orengo Kiraito Murungi Paul Muite and all those, but I know you have also read history.
Yes.
When you could sit down and listen to debates in the National Assembly, wankawa yuko wow, this is really, you know, so nukona CDF angwa ndokoni burantu banya indoctrinated. CDF yekoya CDF kainto kanini munoko ki guira cha MP. Lakini antu kwa tu kabare ilakia muntu kuringana bari electly nda kuringana bora manage the CDF kana ba muruta kuringana bora how they think it is mismanaged kana bora promise bwa ka pwithia CDF which is just maybe 2% of which MP. So we you know we started electing CDF managers to parliament instead of electing capable representatives, people who are able to articulate our issues with clarity, conviction, and competence. So, even people in parliament who do not even know what they are doing there, you cannot listen to anything in that parliament. Actually, you know, it is just another public rally. So we need to go back on CDF era and the last budget.
Yes.
We need to go back to electing representatives. Yeah? Not CDF managers.
Thank you. Niweka sana akire migambo ekue mwicho tegerete kamera ukiariria mutegeri wa Meru TV tukirikia ithurano bia binini bia mbere North na Kinyana ukasipule na Malaba na Magarini kabi kethira abie shapers kana bikindi determine siasa cha 2 term na 1 term kiri ithurano tutete bia 2027 and second that tukirikia.
Sorry? Oh, okay. Ithurano bibionde yes bikethira bikiona na kia siasa cha 1 term na cha 2 term pura ciendelete mwanka au no ntobwa especially nya after the death of Honorable Raila Odinga yontwedi mando ya kasipuru nara na binambi tukethira tukiona you know, na support ya one term wiri na two term wiri.
Yes.
Kuringana na vora siasa chete mobilized kuma Raila riu kwa. Na across the country nyamagarini na araura kuonde. No ntoba kwithira already siasa chiambiririe tene muno actually, you know, after the last elections. So in the continuation ya siasa ira no kachi, the politics is so dynamic. Yes. But so many things are also happening and so many things have changed. Na no kachi manto eta echinja ke mwaka 2027. Ko siasa by elections hii national political barometer or thermometer.
Okay.
Yakona ni na the state of two terms and one term rhetorics na tumike kwethia kuri.
Okay, ndibwega sana anatumugutikire kwa Kristo chetu na kututetheria kienda kuchunguna na kumenya mantu kurugije gie bura siasa chia Ambere North achithirite chigita tuna kura chiringo ruyu na ingwitike by the end of the day ruyu kana uketukethira tu kwambia kugwata fununu nu wachindite na nu wachindi Prince Ben kuma rutero Facebook ariwa watching all eyes MC Tesha kawa watching kuna Cowboy News tuned in from Ambere North at MP Waburi anasema kuna Mosiki Kigia ariwa Bonda Mwithanga Veve Base to collect kuna Mtugu Tonjeri Maina akawa akondani na kuna Nkana Wandharene Bonda ariwa tukundene sana akethia Lawrence na guketheka tena sana ndwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV ndeka ne 13 chikilukite nyuma ya 3 cherukiri akumba kwithira chikiro amandene andagete kura yankethira angichokera na Faith Muchemi kenda tukiarire mantu jegie bora tubati kwithira atukirera teens kana achiari tubati kurianire atia na teens kana teenagers ana barabara kura thairu theneru rura ya ndeka chietu cho kwithira tuna Lawrence Mutambo na chikumba kwithira chikinyamuthia Edula Lawrence kamwita ringi ye na rutu kambire mapema sana kenda tutana mbere na kumba kwithira atukimurika siasa na witina mbere Meru na kinya ome ya nthiguru yetu ya Kenya amona kinya au nthiguru yetu ya Kenya wambita muthoni wa kiramana nchokerete ndeni andika siti kuraya ukaita kuraya.